Discover the GlucoTrust secret. The 30-second bedtime secret that supports healthy blood sugar and a faster, fat-torching metabolism.
Reset your blood sugar and restore your glucose to perfectly healthy levels, without diet or exercise, without painful injections, and without the crushingly expensive medications.
This is a breakthrough discovery about the real underlying root cause of high blood sugar, excess belly fat, unexplained weight gain, and all the debilitating problems.
Thousands of men and women around the world are using the same bedtime ritual to support healthy blood sugar and reclaim control over their lives.
This means freedom. Freedom from the fear that one day, maybe sooner than you think, you'll become a burden on your loved ones.
Freedom from lying awake at night worrying about your next doctor's visit and the next set of test results.
Freedom to move around without aches and pains, or constantly feeling tired and out of breath.
Freedom to enjoy your favorite foods without having to dread what you'll see when you step on the scale.
It could even be the freedom to wear the clothes you want. Like that dress you used to look great in, but it's been hidden away in the back of your closet, until you can slim down.
Or slipping into one of your favorite bathing suits again.
Your best days are still yet to come.
You'll want to try this bedtime ritual tonight, because it activates a little-known collection of cells that are lying dormant inside of you right now.
Take action now, by clicking the link in the description below.